Today we're going to make an easy no-cook Play-Doh. To make 4 colors, I'm going to put 1 cup of all-purpose flour in each bowl and 1/4 cup of salt into each bowl. Whisk each of those together. I put 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of hot water into each bowl, and for each color several drops of food coloring. And mix. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to each bowl. And stir. I'm starting out by mixing this in the bowl, and then I'll put it on a floured surface to mix it the rest of the way and to knead it. Now, if you're worried about your counter, you can always put some parchment paper down, and your hands, you could get some disposable gloves. We're going to knead this, and we're going to knead it a lot to make it nice and smooth. And there's 1 color. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest. So there's a Play-Doh, and the salt in this is going to act as a preservative. It should remain soft in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 months, or in an airtight container at room temperature for a little bit less. So if you want to bake what your kids have made, line a cookie sheet and preheat your oven to 250 degrees and bake for 2 to 3 hours until the dough is hard and dry. Remembering the thicker the dough, the longer it's going to take to bake. Thanks for watching.